Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifier. So in the DILR set of the day today, we are going to discuss a very good set on Venn diagram. Okay, the optimum time to do this set would be somewhere around let's say 8 to 9 minutes if you understand the set well. Otherwise, it might take you up to 13 to 14 minutes if you go into some small details and everything. Let's find out what is in the set. Now it says Kiran, an eccentric billionaire, hired three private investigators, Sherlock, Feluda, and Hercules, and independently asked each of them to track the activities of other two PIs during the same period for exactly n days. So basically बहुत पैसा बह रहा है. किरण ने क्या किया है, तीन इन्वेस्टिगेटर्स को लिए, शार्लॉक, फेल्यूडा एंड हरक्यूलिस. एंड इनको कहा क्या है कि आपने बाकी दोनों की एक्टिविटीज को ट्रेस करना है. यानी शार्लॉक विल ट्रेस द एक्टिविटीज ऑफ एस एंड एच, F will track the activities of S and H will track the activities of F and S. So इस तरह से they will operate in the given number of days. Now, as a part of their respective assignments, Kiran asked each of them to record the number of days that each of the other two PIs sent an email from their respective email account on during due days. So अब करना क्या है, उन्होंने उन दिनों को काउंट करना है जब बाकी दोनों लोगों ने ईमेल्स भेजे हैं. ठीक है. After the end days, each of the three PIs provided their respective reports, which included information only about the other two PIs. So, end days के बाद इन्होंने क्या किया, S ने रिपोर्ट दी F और H के बारे में, H ने रिपोर्ट दी F और S के बारे में, और F ने रिपोर्ट दी S और H के बारे में. So this is the kind of structure they are following. Now, when they are following this, there is something we need to understand. Let us say, what are the possibilities on a particular day? Let's say Sunday है आज. Okay, what is the possibility that who could have sent a mail on Sunday? It is possible that only S, only F, only H, or SF, or FH, or SH, or all of them. Right? Now, these are the possibilities for a particular day, for any day on of the n number of days. Right? Now, let us say I am S, okay, and I am reporting about F and H. ठीक है, मैं एस हूं और मैं एफ और एच के बारे में रिपोर्ट करता हूं. नाउ इफ आई से दैट एफ एंड एच बोथ सेंट द मेल ऑन संडे, so what are the cases I am talking about? This case and probably this case too, right? Because I am only going to give the information about S and H directly. I am not going to give any information about myself. So I cannot exclude the possibility that on a particular day when I am saying that only F and H have sent them, that F and H both have sent the mail, it can include me. जब भी मैं ऐसा कहूंगा कि on a particular day F और H ने मेल भेजी है, तो उसमें मैं भी आ सकता हूँ. This is the point we need to take care about. What is the other thing? Other thing is, let us say मैं कहता हूँ on a particular day, out of F and H, only F sent the mail. Out of F and H, only F sent the mail. Which means all the cases in which F is involved but H is not involved is what I am talking about. F is involved but H is not. So this is not I am talking about. 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 So these are the two cases on or what I am talking. Sorry, H is not included. So this also. Right. So these are the cases on which I am talking about. ठीक है. कि अगर किसी particular day F और H में से H ने मेल नहीं करी है, हो सकता है कि उस दिन सिर्फ F ने करी हो या फिर SF ने करी हो, क्योंकि we are not reporting about ourselves. ठीक है. So this is the only bottleneck जहां पे लोग फंसते हैं. इसके बाद the set is pretty straightforward if you have understood these points. Let's see what the set is on. So let's see, this is S, this is F, this is H. Let's call this region A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Right. So what is given to us? According to Sherlock, the reports, the number of days on which both of the other two PIs sent email was 50. So both of the other two is this one. It is not saying only F and H, it is saying on these days on which F and H sent emails were 50. So basically G plus F is 50. Okay. While the number of days on only which F sent the email was 34. अब F और H में से the number of days only on which F sent email was 34, which means he's not talking about the days on which H sent email. So F ने कौन से दिन भेजी हो सकती है? These two are the possibilities, right? Again, I will just repeat it what I said, that F is not going to give any information about himself directly, but it is not given that S has not sent the mail on that day. So हमको E भी लेना पड़ेगा in that case. E plus B is 34, right? Okay. Now, according to F, the number of days on which only Hercules sent the mail was 34, which means he's not talking about the days on which AS has sent the mail, and not only talking about the days on only which F has sent the mail. He's talking about only H, so it is C plus F. This is 34, right? So, while the number of days on only which Sherlock sent the email was 27, so he's talking about this A plus C. Okay. According to Hercules' report, the number of days on which both of the other two PIs sent email was 43. So according to Hercules, the number of days on which both the other two PIs sent emails were 43. So now both of other two, yani this region, E plus G, is 43. Okay. While the number of days on which only Sherlock sent email out of S and F was 29. So it is talking about this A plus G. Okay. The number of days on which none of the other two sent email was 21. अब वो बाकी दोनों के बारे में क्या बता रहा है कि वो दिन जब उन दोनों ने ही ईमेल नहीं सेंड करी वो 21 डेज थे, यानी अब अगर दोनों ने नहीं करी और हमको दिया हुआ है एटलीस्ट वन ऑफ द 3 पर्सन सेंट एन ईमेल ऑन ईच ऑफ द एंड डेज, which means there was no day blank, which means on those 21 days only H has sent the mail, yani he's talking about this region, right? So this was the indirect information that he gave about himself in the form of other two. So if C is 21, I just use this relation now. If C is 21, this S is 13. If S is 13, G is 37, right? If G is 37, E plus G is 43, E is 6. E is 6, A plus E is 27, A is 21. A plus G is 21, 9. So this is 8. If now G plus F is 50 is used, E plus B is 34, E is 6. So this is 28. So this is it. Complete हो गया मेरा सब कुछ. इसके सिवाय तो मुझे कोई दिया ही नहीं हुआ था, right? Now, just let's quickly move to the questions and let's see what is it. Okay. Now the first question says, what is the value of n? Now when I am talking about value of n, all I need to do is add all these single points, right? So if I add single points, 21, 6, 27, 28, 55, 68, 89, 97, 97, 37, 134. So 134 days, right? Okay. Now, on how many days during the given period both Sherlock and S and F sent emails, but Hercules did not? So both S and F, but Hercules did not. These days were 60. So these are 60. Is talking about this. Okay. Okay. Now, on how many days during the given period did H send emails, but F not? So H sent, but F not. So we are talking about this region. That is 29. What is the maximum number of consecutive days during which on which Hercules could have sent an email? So Hercules के days को consecutive करना है, but there is no constraint about anything. Like what I can simply do is 21 plus 8, 29 plus 13, 42 plus 37, 79. So 79 can be the correct answer. There is no restriction or there is no condition on which particular day is sending, not sending. So 79 is the required answer in this case. I hope the set is now clear to you. If you understood, please do subscribe to our channel, tell it to everyone. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.